Hey everybody, Rob Harter here from CCPC in Park City. When I think about Earl, what really stands out to me, there's so many good traits, but it's this customer service. I remember when we first signed up for Nexus, and about 9 months into our contract, he reached out to me personally and set up a lunch with he and two of his other technicians, and they basically proactively took us out to lunch in order to ask if there's any questions that we had about our contract with them, how was the service. And it would have been one of those lunches, it would have been easy for him just to hand off to two of his, associates, but he personally was there. There were no problems at the time, but he just wanted to proactively reach out and say, is there any problems, or is there any other questions that you may have, any other products you'd like to add? So I just like that proactiveness of his customer service and the fact that he was there personally. And that just started a really strong relationship. And ever since, I just felt like Earl's always kept customer service as one of his number one traits.